Been promoting Hui Waita or Hokianga, Toyo Hokianga, happening in the Rawene and Hokianga styles, the way we roll out our vibes in the Hokianga, a special place in a special land, and of course, Hati Whananga. Yeah, I was promoting the Waita side of the festival, and Nopera has been very much part of that kaupapa of our Waita. I'm going to be hooking up with Nopera, surprise Nopera morning. Tēnā koe.
Hi, tēnā koe tō.
Tēnā koe. How are you today, bro? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm all right.
And another day in paradise, near Nopera.
Yeah, another day in paradise.
Our
I was actually doing something, but I say that's all right.
Kia ora. Hey, you've been sort of one of the ones coordinating our music for the festival, and I know the idea of the festival came up to bring our whananga from the Hokianga together. I know we're pretty hearty, and we've got a whole lot of local muses, but as well got other whananga who will participate in this year's festival. Tell us a bit about the music lineup, whananga.
Okay, yeah, we got a bit of a lineup here. We got ngā moko pono o Rahiri. They're from Kapahaka group, and they'll be performing as well. We got another group called a fella called Faceless. He's sort of like light heavy metal guy. We've actually got a whole range of different genre. That's what they call it these days, eh? In our time we call it styles of music, but that's genre, different genres, so we can cater for everybody that comes to it. And I think we've also got Hori Chapman.
Oh right, Hori Chapman.
Yeah, no, he's on the list too. We've got another group, musos at Hokianga. It's a 3-piece. I'm involved in that group, and we sort of play our own original music. It's a mixture of jazz, reggae, and inspirational music that comes from from Hokianga music. And we have a young woman who's just coming out. Her name is Jemima. She sort of writes her own. She's an original artist. And we also have Soul Sister Aotearoa. She's coming down from Kaitaia to perform. And we have this group from Kiri called Thelonious Punk. They're sort of a jazzy, sort of Latin American group, Latin. And then we have a local group from Kaikohe coming out, a father on drums and his 2 daughters on bass and guitar. And they do a mixture of covers like reggae and hip-hop and stuff like that, and funk. And they'll be ending the night. That happens on the second day of the festival, which is on Saturday. And that kicks off around about 12 o'clock. So we're looking at finishing around about 9 o'clock at night. So, and on the first day we have a karakia. We have a karakia every day at 10 o'clock. We decided not to have a forfeit, but just to have a karakia. So at the beginning of the karakia on the first day, we were having our local Rawene kura coming down to do the karakia with our kaumata and our kuia, who are in attendance on that day. And then we have a dance group called Kani at 12 o'clock. But and before 12 o'clock, we've got the stage that's going to be open for anyone who wants to come up and do advertise what they're doing in Hokianga or wherever, and to sing a song if they like. But at 12 o'clock, we kick off with this group called Kani. They're a dance group. They do sort of Spanish sort of dance, and they're also doing a hip-hop thing as well. So they've got 2 sessions between 12 and 2. And that's also including one of our local artists, Eru Wano. He's going to woo the kaumatu and kui, because we've got a space there for kaumatu and kui as well, just beside the stage. We're going to set them up new, and we've got people looking after them. At 2 o'clock on that first day, we've got a young fella from the north side called Hazza Williams. He's coming to perform. And at 3 o'clock, we're going to take a break. And we're going to all head down to the New Era Cafe, where they're going to have spoken word and music from 3 to 6 p.m. And that's at the New Era Cafe. I think they're going to put tea on and all stuff like that. And then at 6 p.m. we have another first performance of Ngā Mokopono o Rahiri in the Town Hall Square up in And then at 7 p.m. we start off with our fashion show. And then there's a late period at night going back to the north side at 9:30. So we've got 2 late periods both nights.